Hello everybody, welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change the onboard profiles on your Logitech G Pro racing wheel. So first what we need to do is we need to open up the G Hub. It's an application from Logitech, especially made for their things. So for example, this racing wheel. Now let's choose the Pro. And here, as you guys can see, we will have the onboard. So I'll change it to, let's say, number 2. As you guys can see here, we can also change the settings like operating range to 90. It's the max now. Or 440. And now this is the max. So we can also change the strength. And it gets very hard. So now what we can also change is the dampener. And now we can also change the operating angle up to the max, so it will look like this. And here, when we go back to the first one, we will have different settings. So as you guys can see, we can create a lot of presets. And we can also edit the profile names. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.